A recent UBS report says that more people are becoming billionaires through inheritance than ever before. In 2025, 91 individuals reached billionaire status by inheriting wealth, the highest number on record. The total value of these inheritances was almost $300 billion, a rise of more than a third compared with the previous year. The global billionaire population has grown to nearly 3,000 people with a combined wealth of about $15.8 trillion. Although many new billionaires inherited their fortunes, almost 200 others became billionaires through their own entrepreneurial activity. These self-made individuals added more than $380 billion to overall billionaire wealth. UBS expects a continuing wave of transfers, estimating that nearly $6 trillion will pass from older generations to heirs over the next 15 years. The United States is expected to see the largest share of future wealth transfers, followed by India, France, Germany, and Switzerland. Western Europe has already played a major role in the recent surge in inherited wealth, particularly through large family fortunes in industries such as pharmaceuticals. UBS notes that billionaire wealth is becoming more diverse, with significant growth not only from technology but also from industrial and financial sectors. The findings raise broad questions about inequality and the concentration of inherited wealth. As more wealth is passed down rather than created, discussions about tax policy, inheritance laws, and economic mobility are becoming increasingly relevant. The trend points toward the strengthening of long-established family dynasties while still leaving some room for self-made fortunes among a small global elite.